आजच्या इराण देशात पर्शिया नावाचं एक भव्य साम्राज्य होतं. या साम्राज्यावर राज्य करत होता अहाश्वेरोश. वैभवशाली, शक्तिशाली, पण कधीकधी उतावळा असा राजा. राजा अहाश्वेरोश. जोरदार ताळ्याने स्वागत करा राजा अहाश्वेरोश. 127 देशांवर राज्य करणारा, ज्याच्यात भारतही इन्क्लुडेड होतं. आता राज्य दरबारात त्याचा राईट हँड राज्य दरबारात होता एक खूप शक्तिशाली मंत्री, तो म्हणजे हमान. आजच्या डेटमधला कुमेनी. राजा अहासेरस यांच्या दरबारात भव्य मेजवानी चालू असताना त्यांची राणी वष्टी त्यांच्यासमोर येण्याचा आदेश देण्यात आला, पण राणी वष्टीने तो आदेश नाकारला. राजाचा आदेश नाकारला.
नहीं नहीं कभी नहीं, मैं हूँ बेकरार.
एक मोठ्या मेजवानीत राजाने राणी वष्टीचा अपमान केला आणि तिचं राणीपद हे काढून घेतलं.
खुद को क्या समझती है, इतना अकड़ती है. कॉलेज में नहीं नहीं आई एक लड़की है. खुद को क्या समझती है, इतना अकड़ती है. कॉलेज में नहीं नहीं आई एक लड़की है. ओ यारो ये हमें लगती है सरफिरी. अरे आओ चखारे मजा.
दरबारात खळबळ उडाली. आता पर्शियाला हवी होती एक नवीन राणी.
जिसे ढूंढता हूँ मैं हर कहीं, जो कभी मिली मुझे है नहीं. मुझे जिसके प्यार पर हो यकीन, वो लड़की है कहाँ. जिसे सिर्फ मुझसे ही प्यार हो, जो ये कहने को भी तैयार हो, सुनो तुम ही मेरे दिलदार हो, वो लड़की है कहाँ.
देशभरातून सुंदर सुंदर तरुणी बोलवल्या गेल्या. 127 देशातून वेगवेगळ्या सुंदर राणी राजा बनण्याच्या स्वप्नाने राजाच्या समोर आल्या.
तुम्हारे ख्वाबों में है बसी वो हसीन मूर्ति प्यार की, मिलेगी तुम्हें कभी ना कभी, जरा देखो यहाँ वहाँ. वो लड़की है कहाँ,
वो लड़की है यहाँ,
वो लड़की है कहाँ,
वो लड़की है यहाँ,
वो लड़की है कहाँ,
वो लड़की है यहाँ,
वो लड़की है कहाँ,
वो लड़की है यहाँ.
त्यांच्यात होती एक साधी, नम्र, दयाळू अशी मुलगी एस्तेर. ती यहुदी होती, पण तिच्या मामासारख्या संरक्षण करणारा म्हणजे मोर्देखाय. तिला सांगितलं होतं त्याने की आपली ओळख कोणालाच सांगू नको.
ऐसा है कौन यहाँ मुझसे जो जीत सके?
वेलकम
मैं कोई
मोर्देखाय.
हूँ, मैं हूँ, मुझसे बड़ा कोई है इस जहां में, अगर वो कोई भी कल का मैं हूँ. ये मूंछों पे धार रहे, हाथ में कुल्हाड़ रहे, युद्ध की पुकार रहे, करता ना समझौता. ये बेटा ये मेरा अड्डा, ये बेटा ये मेरा अड्डा.
राजाला एस्थेर खूप आवडली आणि ती आता पर्शियाची राणी बनली. पण सिंहासनावर बसूनही ती नम्रता आणि श्रद्धा कधीच विसरली नाही आणि त्यांचं लग्न ठरलं.
दिन शगुनाद चढ़या आओ सखियोनी बेड़ा सजया. हाँ मेरा सजना
जोरदार टाळ्या होत्या.
मेरा सजना मिलन बधाइयाँ नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी बेड़ा सजया.
हमानला सगळ्यांनी वाकून नमस्कार करावा असं त्याला नेहमी वाटायचं. पण मोर्देखाय काय वाकला नाही, कारण तो फक्त देवापुढेच नतमस्तक होणारा होता.
मार दिया जाए कि छोड़ दिया जाए, बोल तेरे साथ क्या सुलूक किया जाए. मार दिया जाए कि छोड़ दिया जाए, बोल तेरे साथ क्या सुलूक किया जाए.
तो नेहमी बोलायचा, मैं झुकेगा नाही साला. हमानचा अहंकार दुखावला. फक्त मोर्देखाय नव्हे तर संपूर्ण यहुदी समाज मी नष्ट करून टाकीन असा त्याने कट रचला. राजाकडून फसवणूक करून एक हुकूमनामा काढून घेतला. एक ठराविक दिवशी सगळ्या यहुदीचा नाश करीन. त्यांनी लॉटरी काढली आणि तारीख आली 14 आधार. मोर्देखायला ही बातमी समजली. तो शोकवस्त्र घालून रडू लागला. त्याने एस्थेरकडे निरोप पाठवला. एस्थेर, कदाचित तू राणी बनवलीस ना, हीच वेळ यासाठी आली आहे म्हणून तू राणी बनली आहेस. एस्थेर हादरली. राजाच्या परवानगीशिवाय दरबारात जाणं म्हणजे मृत्यूचा धोका होता. पण तिने निर्णय घेतला. ती म्हणाली, मी 3 दिवस उपास करीन. माझ्या लोकांनाही प्रार्थना करावी. तुम्ही सगळे लोक प्रार्थना करा. जर मला मरण आलं तर ते देवाच्या इच्छेने होईल.
ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण ओ न्यारे, तुम्हरे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही. हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुम्हरे बिन हमरा कोनो नाही.
आणि फायनली देवाने चमत्कार केला. एक रात्री राजा अहाश्वेरोश यांना झोपच लागत नव्हती. त्यांनी खूप प्रयत्न केला पण झोप काय लागत नाही.
मुझे नींद न आए हो, मुझे नींद न आए, मुझे चैन न आए, कोई जाए जरा ढूंढ के लाए. न जाने कहाँ दिल खो गया, न जाने कहाँ दिल खो गया.
वेळ काढण्यासाठी त्यांनी दरबारातली नोंदी म्हणजे त्याचं इतिहासाचं पुस्तक वाचायला सांगितलं. तेव्हा मोर्देखायने राजाचा प्राण वाचवला होता. दरबाराच्या बाहेर 2 सैनिक होते, ते रक्षक होते त्याचे, पण त्यांनी जेवणात विष घालण्याचा कट रचला होता. आणि ते मोर्देकायने सांगितलं आणि अशा प्रकारे राजाचा जीव वाचवला. पण त्याला योग्य बक्षीस असं काही मिळालं नव्हतं हे राजाला समजलं या पुस्तकातून. आणि
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान न करना.
राजाने लगेच मोर्देखायचा सन्मान करण्याचा आदेश दिला. 3 दिवसांनी एस्तेर राज दरबारात गेली. राजाने तिला पाहिलं आणि आपल्या सोन्याचा राजदंड पुढे केला. ती वाचली. तिने लगेच सगळं सांगितलं नाही. बुद्धीने, संयमाने तिने 2 मेजवानीचं आमंत्रण दिलं. राजा, हमान आणि बरेच लोकांना या मेजवानीला आमंत्रण केलं.
दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया, ओ दिल ने दस्तरखान बिछाया, दावत इश्क है.
दुसऱ्या मेजवानीत एस्तेरने अखेर सत्य सांगितलं. मी यहुदी आहे आणि माझ्या लोकांचा नाश करण्याचा कट रचला जात आहे. राजाला धक्काच बसला. कट उघड झाला. मोर्देखायसाठी बांधलेल्या फासावर हमानालाच शिक्षा मिळाली. हुकुमनामा बदलला गेला. यहुदी लोक सगळे वाचले आणि आपल्या सगळ्या लोकांचा विजय झाला.
बचने ते धडक धडक ढोल ताश धडक धडक भंडारा चिडक चिडक मल्हारी, खडक धडक फडक झाली, चटक मटक फटक झाली, दुश्मन की देखो जो वाट लावली. अरे बचने ते धडक धडक ढोल ताश धडक धडक भंडारा चिडक चिडक मल्हारी, खडक धडक फडक झाली, चटक मटक फटक झाली, दुश्मन की देखो जो वाट लावली.
दुःख आनंदात बदललं. दुःख आनंदात बदललं. भय उत्सवात बदललं. आणि जन्म झाला पुरीम सणाचा. आजही आपण मिठाई वाटतो, दान करतो, ही सगळी कथा सांगतो, वेशभूषा पण करतो. कारण चांगुलपणा, श्रद्धा आणि धैर्य हे कधीच पराभूत होत नाही. थँक्यू.
क्या बात आहे. सुंदर असं स्किट आपल्यासमोर सादर झालेलं आहे. पण तुमच्या टाळ्यांचा आवाज थोडा कमी वाटला. जोरात टाळ्या झाल्या पाहिजे. फंटॅस्टिक. व्हेरी व्हेरी नाईस स्किट. And now, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to begin with the fancy dress competition. Okay, so we are having the introduction coming up. So I'll hand over the mic to Cheryl.
Thank you and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And I request you all to join us organizers selecting winners from the talented pool of contestants. Do you agree with me? Their task is much more difficult than the people coming over here and performing. Today we are having extremely experienced, very talented and the most important all-women judge panel who are going to judge our performances for today. So please give them a very big round of applause. Our very first judge for this evening is one who brings years of experience in aviation, Mrs. Rebecca David Bedwadkar. I please request her to come on the dais with a warm round of applause once again, please.
Welcome.
She's a total trailblazer, 40 years with Air India, crushing it in cargo operations and sales and marketing manager for Western India. Key role in building strong industry ties and keeping the operations smooth. Now, she's trading flight logistics for wildlife and bird photography, turning her lifelong love of travel into stunning nature shots. Let me ask you something. what is the most epic, memorable experience of wildlife so far for you?
Thank you, Cheryl, for such a wonderful introduction. First of all, let me thank each one of you, the committee members of Magen Asuddin Synagogue, who have considered me to stand here as guide and to judge the entire competition. It's truly, truly an honor. First let me tell you this, Cheryl, that Purim, we celebrate Purim. It is basically, it's bringing the community coming together. It's a representation of power, it's a representation of love, it's a representation of joy. I'm so happy to see each one of you over here putting in their 100% to make this event a success. And honestly, could not have happened without the participation of all of you, the committee members, the organizers. You have done your best. And most importantly, the enthusiastic people who have participated in this, hats off to you, kudos to all of you. And now, telling you my most important and the most wonderful moment of my life, wildlife photography and going into the wild. I'll give you a small snippet. It can go on and on because wildlife and nature is something which is too dear to my heart. But I can give you one instance is when in 2010, when we had gone to Kenya and we were in the plains of Africa. That's when we were doing our first wildlife safari. And we had gone to see the wildebeest migration, which was beautiful, tons and tons of animals. But all of a sudden, when we were seeing the migration, our vehicle just went so fast. The guide and the driver speaking in African, we didn't understand what was going on, and we just fled. And to our surprise, we saw that we were chasing 2 lionesses. Oh my God, it was a treat to the eye, and the lionesses were chasing a zebra. So basically, it was a kill, and yes, we followed the kill, but unfortunately, the zebra fell prey to the lionesses. It was a terrible moment. Yes, it was something which I couldn't fathom, but I guess that's a cycle of life. And that was the best moment. Nature is beautiful. Please preserve nature. Honestly, once you're in it, you will really love it because no camera lens can focus what you actually see. Thank you, cheers, and that's the beauty of the wild. Have a lovely time.
Thank you, Rebecca. Can I just request Mr. Arun Digodkar to please come up on stage and felicitate Miss Rebecca Barwadkar. Mr. Arun Digodkar. Oh, they're present. So can I request someone from the organizers to please come up and felicitate Mrs. Rebecca Barwadkar. And for the contestants, please be careful. She is coming up with binoculars, so she is going to minutely see all your performances. So all the best. And now I hand it over to Eva. Ronan? Okay, now I hand it over to Ronan. I'm sorry again, thrice. All are from R&R, so Rahil.
Thank you very much, Cheryl. Now I request our next judge, Mrs. Neena Galsulkar, to please come on the stage. Mrs. Neena Shimshon Galsulkar is a distinguished leader, serving as a partner and managing director in her family's construction firm. Beyond her professional achievements in the building industry, she is deeply committed to spiritual unity and social welfare. Neena is the founder and coordinator of a dedicated Telnim WhatsApp group, where she brings women together to complete the entire book of Psalms daily. Her passion for service extends to her volunteer work with NGOs in Powai and her active involvement in organizing summer camps for various community organizations. जोरदार टाळ्या झाल्या पाहिजे त्यांच्यासाठी. Now I request Queen Neena Galsulkar to please say a few words.
Shalom everyone. I would first like to thank committee of Magen Hasidim Synagogue for considering me as a judge for this today's event. And thank you so much. You all have done a great job. Thanks for your efforts. Really hats off. And just a small brief on Chag Purim. Chag Purim Samayach the Purim is actually a very spiritual festival as well. Purim is considered the highest level of spiritual joy, representing a rectification that transcends the natural order. It also honors the action of women, with Esther's story being the focal point of the celebration, and also saving Jewish people. One more thing is the book of Esther asks us to trust in God's providence. When we can't see it working, that requires a posture of hope to believe that no matter how horrible things to get, God is committed to redeeming His good world and overcoming evil. That's what the story of Esther is all about. Thank you so much, and Chag Purim Samayach to each and everyone. Am Israel Chai.
Thank you very much, Neena Galsulkar. Now I request Mr. Haim Eliyahu Tarkar to please come on the stage and felicitate our queen, Neena Galsulkar. Mr. Haim Eliyahu Tarkar, please come on the stage. Thank you very much. Now I request Eva to come on the stage and introduce our next judge.
Thank you, Magen Hasidim and all the committee members for giving me this opportunity. I would like to request our very third guest, Mrs. Zaina Ravi Gowar, to please be on the Mrs. Zaina Ravi Gowar was born on 20 November 1962 in Mumbai. Zaina is the daughter of Mr. Daniel David Bilwadkar and Mrs. Sushumna Daniel Bilwadkar. Zaina was a student of Jacob Sassoon High School and passed her SSC in the first class and thereafter did her B.Com from Bombay University. Zaina is married to David Moses Sargaonkar, who is an educated by profession. Zaina has one son named Doron, who graduated as electronics engineer from Bombay University and later did his master's in electronics from Rochester University, US, and is at present working as electronics engineer in Intel, US. Doron is at present a resident of Rancho Cordova, California, and is married to Sarina and has 8-year-old son named Yin. Zaina worked as a dedicated branch head and coordinator for 10 years at Hello Kids Preschool and later took a voluntary retirement. Due to her hard work and creativity, the management of the preschool requested her to rejoin and train the teachers and staff. I would now like Zaina to please take the word.
I thank the trustees and the managing committee members of Magen Hasidim Synagogue for giving me this opportunity to be one of the chief guests for this Purim program. I would like to thank all the members of the organizing committee who have been working very hard to make this function a grand success. Looking forward for many such events in the near future. I am excited as well as anxious to watch all the events. Thank you very much.
Now I request Roland Daniel to please introduce our next guest. Oh, one second. I request Rahel to please felicitate Mrs. Dinah David Toygaonkar.
Everybody come and welcome. To the party come and welcome. There's another cup for everyone. Welcome.
It's my honor and privilege to introduce our chief guest, Mrs. Rahel Benjamin Rex. If I'm not wrong. Mrs. Rahel Benjamin Rex is a homemaker, businesswoman. Other than being a hobbyist artist and an art facilitator, her artwork has been sent to exhibitions in India and abroad. She has dabbled in various art forms and still learns new techniques which she gladly teaches her students. She became a certified Zentangle teacher, if I am not wrong, CZT in 2021 and did her certification from Concentric Germany, who are affiliated to Zentangle INC USA. She is the first CZT from our Jewish community in India. She volunteers at a well-known hospital in Mumbai teaching Zentangle in the pediatric ward to all the cancer patients and their parents as well. She volunteers with AGDC teaching art to senior citizens and kids. Graceful Living is yet another senior citizens group where she volunteers. This has helped many of her students to overcome insomnia, depression, diabetes and other ailments. She mainly concentrates on the mental and emotional well-being of her students through her art class, many of them who are actually present here today. An inspiring guide who shapes mind and future with wisdom and dedication. Please raise your hands of applause for our chief guest and exclusive judge for art competition, Mrs. Rahel Benjamin Rex.
Thank you so much.
I request you to speak.
एकदम शॉर्ट अँड स्वीट. सो शालोम मित्रो, मागीन हसिदींच्या ट्रस्टीजना मनापासून धन्यवाद फॉर डेजिग्नेटिंग मी टू जज द ड्राइंग कंपटीशन. मैं ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ. त्यांच्या अथक मेहनतीने आणि परिश्रमांसाठी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अप्रतिम कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला आहे. सिंहाचा वाटा तुम्ही प्रेक्षकांचा. थँक्स फॉर बीइंग हिअर अँड मेकिंग इट अ ग्रँड सक्सेस. तोदा रंबा.
Just Rebecca to felicitate now. Start with the drawing prizes. दिल थाम के बैठिए. अभी ड्राइंग प्राइजेस डिक्लेयर होंगे, बट उसके पहले आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर चीफ गेस्ट यूथ आइकन पर्ल जिराड टू कम अप ऑन द स्टेज प्लीज.
Dr. Pearl Girard holds a Bachelor of Dental Surgery BDS degree from YMT Dental College. With over a decade of clinical experience, she has been dedicated to providing quality dental care and building lasting relationships with her patients. She runs her own dental practice in Malad, where she combines clinical excellence with a patient-centered approach. In addition to her dental expertise, she is also a certified cosmetologist and certified trichologist, reflecting her commitment to comprehensive aesthetic and wellness care. Let's all give a huge round of applause for our youth icon, Dr. Pearl Girard. I would like her to speak. We all need to hear this. We have a doctor speaking here, please.
everyone. First of all, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to Magen Hasidim Synagogue for inviting me here today as a youth icon and judge for this beautiful Purim celebration. And it's truly an honor to stand here among such vibrant energy and tradition. So Purim is not just a festival of joy, costumes and celebration. It is a reminder of courage, faith and inner strength. The story of Queen Esther teaches us that even in moments of uncertainty, one voice, when guided by courage, can change destiny. Okay, so to the youth present here today, you are that voice. You are living in a world full of distractions, comparisons and constant pressure. Yet within each one of you lies immense potential. Okay, Purim reminds us that sometimes we must hide our fears, but we must never hide our inner strength. So just like Esther revealed her true identity at the right moment, each one of you will have a moment in life where you must stand up for what is right. Okay, confidence does not mean being the loudest in the room. It means being secure enough to express your truth. Okay, it means embracing who you are, your culture, your values, your individuality. As I look at all of you today participating, performing, competing and expressing yourselves, I don't just see talent, I see courage, because it takes courage to stand on the stage. It takes courage to even try, and that itself makes everybody winners. So you are not just the future of the community but the strength today. To the parents and organizers, thank you for nurturing this generation with faith, tradition and community values. In today's fast-moving world, keeping our roots strong is truly a blessing. I hope that today's celebration is not just about winning or judging, but about connection. Connection that we have to our heritage, connection that we have to each other and to ourselves, the strength within ourselves. So may this Purim bring joy to our homes, clarity to our paths and courage to our hearts. Thank you once again for this honor. I'm truly grateful to be here. Thank you.
Now I would like Ronan Daniel to please felicitate our youth icon. Okay, so I know that a lot of y'all did participate in the drawing and art competition that we had. And I know that each one of you who actually participated, the child in them is really eager to know the results. So I would like to invite our judge, Rahel Benjamin Rex, to please announce the prizes. Everyone hold your hearts. If you win, you win. If you don't win, you're still a winner. Okay?
We start with age 1 to 6. This was only coloring, but they did an amazing job. The first prize goes to token number 12. Congratulations. Come.
What's the name?
The second prize is token number. I don't know the names. Yes, please, because I know only the token numbers. That's how the fair judgment was done. So the winner was the first prize winner in the age group 1 to 6 was Yoel Gabriel. The second prize is token number 22. Token number 22.
Token number 22, you have token with you. Go up, darling. और तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए, please, for the tiny tot.
मस्ती का मौका है, क्यों खुद को रोकना है, don't you really wanna-
Loudly.
Abigail.
Abigail what?
Abigail Ronan Samuel Daniel Vanu.
Very good. Congratulations. And the third prize goes to token number 14. Who is token number 14?
Token number 14, please come with your token.
Meira Mallandkar.
Meira Mallan.
Wow. on behalf of his sister.
How sweet. Thank you. Okay, now the second group, ages 7 to 12. This was origami. The first prize is token 13.
Yay! Token number 13.
आजा मेरे संग नचले तो नचले जरा जरा दिल का करूं मैं क्या तुझे ये मर मिटा मुझको ना अब सता आजा मेरे संग नचले तो नचले जरा
Raisal Gabriel.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Who's the next?
The second prize goes to token number 13, but from Thane.
Token number 13. Run, 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 run. Careful, careful.
मस्ती का मौका है क्यों खुद को रोका है don't you really wanna go?
Sarina Sharon Ruben.
Congratulations.
And the third
तालियां थोड़ी
prize
कम हो गई
goes
है.
to token number 11.
Token number 11. Token number 11. Oh, it's Zeev.
Everybody come welcome.
Congratulations. Your name?
Ziu Ronan Bonkar.
Congratulations, Zeev.
Zeev's idea of holding this competition from last year. There is no partiality, please, because I only know the token numbers. I do not know the names. Okay, there is one prize in 13 to 17 years, token number 4. He was the only kid.
Woo! From Thane.
Come welcome. There's another cup for everyone.
Congratulations. Your name?
Yagil Ezekiel Vaskar.
He did a very beautiful Taj Mahal.
Congratulations, Yagil.
18 to 49, it was collage. The first prize is token number 5. That's why.
Token number 5. Token number 5.
Thank you.
Woo!
Congratulations. It's very heavy name. Name.
Rebecca Ramrajkar.
Congratulations, Rebecca.
Amila Ramlashkar.
Second prize is token number 17.
Woo!
Everybody come welcome. To the party come welcome. There's another cup for everyone.
All in the family.
Eli Ramrajkar.
Amila Eli Ramlashkar.
Congratulations.
Third prize is token number 18.
Token number 18.
Thank you. Yael Ezekiel Vaskar from Thane.
Congratulations, Yael. Who's next?
In this category, we have a special prize, token number 8.
Token number 8.
Welcome to the party. Go and go. Don't you
Token number 8.
what's going on at the party?
That's done, beta. Yours is 18. 18 to 49. Congratulations.
Thank you. Susan Malekar.
Congratulations, Susan.
Now next is the 50 plus youngsters. This is again collage making. The first prize goes to token number 9.
Yay, token number 9.
Salomi Dandekar.
The next in line is Fancy Dress competition, so I request all the participants to be ready.
Thank you. The second prize is token number 20.
Token number 20. Token number 20.
Not here.
आजा मेरे संग नचले तो नचले जरा जरा
Please collect this from the Magen office, right? The third prize is token number 7.
मैं क्या तुझसे ये मन मिटा मुझको ना अब सता आजा मेरे संग नचले तो नचले जरा जरा
मस्ती का मौका है क्यों खुद को रोका है don't you really wanna go
काढला काय बरोबर काढा रिफ्का मोशे there are special prizes in this category because they've really taken effort. Special prize for the efforts goes to token number 6.
Everybody come welcome to the party come.
There's one walk-in entry which is token number 3. Please, both of you all can come. Token number 6 and token number 3.
Another cup for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody come welcome to the party come welcome. There's another cup for everyone.
सॅमसन उंबाडेकर.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच. माझं नाव तर सर्वांना ठाऊकच आहे, पण मी डायना सॅमसन कोर्लेकर. आणि मला खास सांगायचं म्हणजे राहेल आहे ना, म्हणजे टीचर आहे ती, मला छोटीच वाटते, पण ती ना आम्हाला खूप आनंदाने समजून घेते आणि असं म्हणजे आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देते. नाही तुम्ही करा तर खरं. आणि त्यामुळे मला असं वाटतं करोनातसुद्धा आम्ही चांगले उभे राहिलो आणि आजपर्यंत हाताने काहीतरी करतो आणि डोकं चालतंय. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you. There's one another special prize for Elisa Birwadkar.
Please तालियां बजनी चाहिए.
Thank you.
And now we are going to start with our fancy dress competition. In the meanwhile, those who have won the prizes for the drawing and art competition, I request the participants, the winners, to come here and collect their medals. Do come here and collect the medals, and we start with the fancy dress.
2 seconds. I just have to make a small announcement. I would like to call upon 2 ladies. One of them has not come today on the stage for working silently in the community, be it Vata or Malida or any other function. I see them always in the forefront working tirelessly, helping out without any noise and then taking the back seat after the work is done. I would love to see them up here and accept this small token of appreciation. Please come on stage. Ruby is not here, but Ruth Sampson and Ruby Mazgaonkar. Please come on stage. They need to be recognized. Please give them a big hand.
Welcome to the party. Go and go, don't you?
This is Ruth Sampson, her sister, Ruby Masin, Ruby Mazgaonkar. Both of them work tirelessly for the community. So thank you so much.
Thank you from Ruby. Thank you from Ruby Mazgaonkar.
Thank you, thank you.
नॉट ओनली फॉर विनर्स, फॉर ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्ससाठी जोरात टाळ्या वाजवूया. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. अँड ही खरंच खूप चांगली गोष्ट होती की प्रत्येकाला नाव न घेता प्रत्येकाला टोकन दिलं होतं, म्हणजे काही चिटिंग नाही होणार. So that was very nice thing. Now we are going to begin with the fancy dress competition, and all the participants of fancy dress competition, please be ready because we are going to begin with smaller children, and I request Rehan to please come up on the stage. Rehan, up on the stage. Yes, now we are going to begin with fancy dress competition, and all the participants please be ready. As first group that is going to be is the age group between 2 to 6 years. 2 to 6 years, all the participants please be ready. We will be calling the names, and one by one you have to come on the stage, and all the participants, those who are participating in fancy dress competition, if you need any music or if you need a mic to speak anything, just ask us, we'll provide you with that. Okay, अगर जर कोणाला बोलायचं असेल फॅन्सी ड्रेसमध्ये तर त्यांनी प्लीज इकडे माईक मागून घ्यायचं आहे, किंवा म्युझिक देखील अगर कोणाला लागणार आहे तर आपल्या साऊंड सिस्टम वाले काकांना सांगायचं आहे. सो now let's begin with the fancy dress competition. The first participant who is coming is
Noam Nagaonkar.
Yes, Noam.
Noam Nagaonkar.
Noam Nagaonkar. Yeah, he's coming. And जेवढे पण participant आहे ना from 2 to 6 years, all the participants please be ready at this side. All the participants from the age group of 2 to 6 years, please be ready at this side. Okay, the first participant is coming up, and judges please be ready with your marks.
My name is Noam. And I am 5 years old. I'm 5 years old.
Okay, look over here.
Kohen Agadol. And I work for the Bet Amikdash Hashem.
I think एक माईक तिकडे दिला पाहिजे.
And I am here to bless all people. I'm here to bless all people.
Okay, everybody come on, clap for first participant. Very good.
Noam Nagaonkar.
Wow.
Wow, very good. Master Eyal Nagaonkar.
Eyal Nagaonkar. Yes. Yeah. Look over there. Stand. Look.
Ayan. Megal. Clear. Warrior. I save good people. I fight the enemy.
तिकडनं गॉगल्स घ्यायचे, चष्मे घ्यायचे. अब्रामकडनं चष्मे घ्यायचे. ओके, सो पार्टिसिपेट केल्यानंतर प्लीज अब्रामकडनं चष्मे घ्यायचे. अँड नाव लेट्स कॉल द नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपंट.
Thank you. Yes, Master Abigail Daniel. Asher Daniel, please be ready. Asher Daniel.
After that, after Abigail.
After Abigail Daniel.
Abigail. After that, Asher, please be ready. Come, Abigail, come.
लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए अल्ट्रा चैनल्स को
ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। हे भाई
Thank you.
क्या बात है. Everybody please put your hands together for Abigail and our A bhai. अच्छा, Asher is coming. Asher and Abigail. Okay, even Asher is
So now
combined. Okay, they both were participant and दोघांनी खूप छान परफॉर्मन्स केलेला आहे. So please collect your specs from there. And now next participant
is Eliana Ezekiel Vaskar.
प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही, प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही। है वो अनजानी सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी, किसना से मिलती है भूल के हर बंधन, हो किसना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन।
मैं राधा हूँ, मैं युंदानिक गोपिका हूँ, कृष्ण मेरा मित्र है, सब बोलो यादे यादे।
Wow.
Radhe
so
Radhe, our Gopika. And after this, we are having next coming up is
Miss Amira Ramraskar.
Wow.
Wow, such a beautiful lotus. Sunflower, sorry.
Very well performance and बापरे आतापर्यंत ठेवलं तीच खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे. Very good. And after that age group 7 to 15 please be ready. And one second.
मिस्टर एजरियल रामीम पेंडकर यांनी पुढे येऊन डेव्हिड तळेगावकर यांच्या बाजूला बसायचं आहे. मिस्टर एजरियल रामीम पेंडकर.
Ready. And age group 7 to 15. The first participant coming up is.
The first participant is Ezekiel Vaskar. Ronia Bonkar, please be ready. The first one is Ezekiel Vaskar.
Yagil. If you need the mic, do ask for us.
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोलता.
To be or not to be, that is the question. जगावं की मरावं हा एकच सवाल आहे. कोणी घर देता का घर, एका तुफानाला कोणी घर देता का. एक तुफान भिंती वाचून, छपरा वाचून, माणसाच्या माय वाचून, देवाच्या दय वाचून जंगलात हिंडतोय. जिथे कोणी उठणार नाही अशी एक जागा ढूंढतोय. कोणी घर देता का घर. दूर दूर सगळे निरर्थक आहे. जो आपल्या जागेशी ठंब उभा आहे तो फक्त मी आहे जुलियस सीझर, प्रतापराव, मी आहे ॲथलो, सुधाकर, हॅमलेट, मी आहे गणपत रामचंद्र बेलवलकर, मी आहे नटसम्राट.
After that, which participant is going to be ready? बिकॉज
So first is Ronia Bonkar, next, and after that Ziv Bonkar.
हां झीव गोंदकर प्लीज बी रेडी या
Soldier. I face all the challenges with courage to keep you all safe. I protect my country day and night. I love my country very much. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki.
Jai.
Thank you. Happy Puri.
वाव झीव बोनकर
नमस्कार, मी जीव रोनन बोनकर आहे. मी लोकमान्य बाळ गंगाधर टिळक आहे. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध हक्क आहे. तो मी मिळवणारच. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
याईर मापगावकर
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Yair Noel Mabgaokar. I am Bal Gangadhar Lokmanya Tilak. I invented the newspaper named as Kesari and Maratha. I boycotted the British goods. He was the third of the tournament. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Matan Noel Mabgaokar. I am Army Officer of India. I am fight for my country. Thank you.
Okay, and after this,
We have Miss Ethel Digodkar.
Good evening everybody. My name is Ethel Digodkar. I am dressed as Michael Jackson today. MJ. Michael Jackson is very famous. He has created many songs and made everybody happy. He has very good dance performance and he's very good at everything.
very good, very good.
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes, their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it. Beat it, beat it, don't know what to beat it. Show it how funny, don't just like that. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it. Just beat it, just beat it, just beat it.
Okay, that was Ethel.
हेलो देवियों, मैं अमिताभ बच्चन इस पूरे फंक्शन में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं कविता पेश करने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। नाम है अग्निपथ। तू ना थकेगा कभी, तू ना बुड़ेगा कभी, तू ना थमेगा कभी, कर्षपथ कर्षपथ कर्षपथ। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। यह महान अदृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्वेत रक्त से लथपथ लथपथ लथपथ। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। Shivratri, Shobha Khair, and please take care of yourself.
Wow!
क्या बात है.
Thank you.